What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, y'all? Welcome. I am your girl, Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today, we're going to be doing something very quick. I got this late-ass Boxycharm Premium. Excuse the nail. I got this Boxycharm Premium for the month of June. So, yeah, y'all. We're going to see what this baby is all about. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, stay right there. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, as I said in the intro, I'm Tonyanicole, and for you guys that do not know me, welcome. If you're oldie but goodie, welcome back. Today, we're going to do something really quick. Boxycharm Premium for the month of June. Before we get started though, let's shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. I do not have a drink, y'all. Again, I'm sorry, but I got off from work, couldn't go to the store and get no wine. So y'all take a dance break and a drink break. So this one is the premium box. It's $35 per month. You're supposed to get 6 full-size products in this box each month with a guaranteed value of up to $210, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put it on the screen just in case. If you guys want to subscribe to Boxycharm, they do have a link down below in my description. I do not make any money off of it. I think I just get like a few points or something like that. Without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin'. Boo. Dance break and a drink break. Let's get the box cutter and open this baby up. Okay, that's what we're looking like on the inside. It is the premium box, so it will be blue. So we do get a card each month, and the theme is Dare to Dazzle. And on the back is a list of all of the products that we received, as well as description, prices, and my variation number, which I will put towards the end of the video. So let's see what we got. First product up is from Earth Harbor, and this is the Laguna replenishing body serum right here. And you do get 60 milliliters of product. It has marine algae and blue yarrow in it. Now, I think I received this last month. I don't know if it was in Boxycharm. We've been getting so much Earth Harbor, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to check and see. But this right here, guys, retails for $26. And it's just a tantalizing blend of pure botanical oils that will help deliver deep nourishment, hydration, and a gorgeous luster to your skin. $26. Let me show y'all what it looks like. Has a little dropper in it. I won't open it. I'm just going to put this in a giveaway because I have a lot of these. So this is the first product, Earth Harbor. All right, next up is from Moroccan Oil, is it? This is the Perfect Defense. This is a lightweight, dry aerosol heat protective spray. This nourishing argan oil and vitamin-fueled formula rehydrates the hair while protecting it against damaging effect of heat styling up to 450 degrees. This is a new launch and it retails for $15.99. Okay. It's a heat protectant. It has like this little spray. Oh, it smells really good though. Oh, I like that. I am going to keep this because when I do decide to curl my hair or flat iron it, I can use this to help protect my wigs because y'all know I love them so much. Then we have this Murad product, which I know is a repeat item because I got this last month. Now, Boxycharm did send an email telling me that they sent me a repeat product and they gave me $12 to use toward add-ons, which I probably won't use. I'll probably pin it in the comments so you guys could use it or something like that. I thought that this may have been the repeat product, but this one definitely is. So I'm gonna have to see if they gave me 2 repeat products. This is the Murad Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer right there. I'm not mad at it because I do like Murad's products. You get 50 milliliters of product in here. And this is what it's looking like. And this retails for $74. It says detoxify and revitalize your skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. So this breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthens your skin's barrier while you sleep. $74. Now, I don't mind getting this as a repeat product, but I mean, y'all ain't have no other spoilers y'all could have put in this box. other than this, like. Next up is my choice item, and this is the Natasha Denona Pore Vanishing Matte Foundation right here. So when I did see that this was a choice item, I did want it because they had 92W Deep, which I think is my shade right here. So I'm excited about this. This is what it looks like outside of the package. And it comes with like this little squeeze top, which I am going to squeeze. Ooh, that is a perfect match. It looks like it's a lot of warm, like a little orangey. Ooh, it's very liquidy. Let's put it on my neck. Ooh. Ooh. It's very orange, like. Ooh, I think I could make it work. I don't know, y'all, but it's very orangey. Oh, I'm kind of sad about that. But let's see what it says on the card. And this is a medium to full coverage modern matte liquid luxe foundation that blurs your pores out, smooths uneven texture, and protects your skin from environmental damage. This retails for $45, and you get, oh, look how I got it all dirty already. You get 28 milliliters of product in here. So, I mean, I'm excited. I guess we could try and work it out a little bit. We'll see. Fingers crossed. All right, and then we received from Lashaholic these lashes right here in the style Kiss Me. Now, we did get Lashaholic lashes a while back in Boxycharm, and I don't remember if I used them or not. I can't really remember, but this is what they look like. They're very pretty lashes on the natural side in the shade Kiss Me. All right there. They're pretty, though. I like them. I could wear these to work. These right here, my loves, retails for $15.99, and this is a new launch for Lashaholic. All right, and then our final product is a palette. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Multi-Use Eye and Face Palette right here. Now, I'm not sure if everyone got this palette. I don't know. All right, let's see. Oh. Girl, another nail just popped off. I've been having these on for like 3 weeks, y'all. So finally, they are coming off. And I will be making me a new set tomorrow. Girl, it just popped clean off. They ain't no good way to promote your nail business, huh? But 3 weeks. Okay. All right, guys. This is what the packaging is looking like. And when we open her up, ooh, girl, we got a nice big mirror. Hey, boo. And, oh, mine is a little cracked. Oh. And this is the palette right here. You see it's a little cracked right there. The palette is actually really, really, really pretty. Definitely shades that I love. Neutrals, blacks in this maroon color. These mauves and pinks. I actually really, really like this palette. I don't know if I'm going to swatch it yet. I might just hold on to it and put it in a giveaway. I don't know. I have a lot of these colors, but it's so pretty. I'm so tempted to swatch it, but I won't. I think I might put this in a giveaway. This retails for $48. Now, I definitely wouldn't buy it for $48, but it is gorgeous. I love it. So that was our final product in this month's Boxycharm Premium. It really sucks that it came so late in the month. I mean, you go down Boxycharm's comments on Instagram and all you see is, where's my box? Where's my products? And I mean, Boxycharm really, really, really need to work on customer service as well as shipping. I mean, they really do. Look at the foundation. It's drying down. I think we may be able to work with this actually. I think. I don't know. We'll see. But let's do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received this Moroccan Oil Heat Protectant here from Murad, this skin detoxifying cream. From Earth Harbor, this body replenishment. From Natasha Denona, this foundation here. From Lashaholic, these lashes. And from Dominique Cosmetics, this beautiful palette here. So these 6 products right here. Final thoughts on this month's premium box. I was kind of irritated already because, like I said, came so late in the month. I mean, today is the 29th. We only have like one more day of June and that's it. So I mean, it's right on the border, especially since they're going to be taking my next payment out on the 1st. I mean, I don't really like the shipping or their customer service. But with that being said, I do like the box for this month. I like these 3 the most: the palette, the foundation and the lashes. I'm not mad with the heat protectant. I'm not mad with the Murad product, even though it's a repeat product. I actually like this product. And the Earth Harbor, I like Earth Harbor, but I want to not see it in subscription boxes for a few months because every box seems like they have Earth Harbor in it. So yeah, but overall, I thought it was a pretty decent box. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 5, it's going to get a deduction for the shipping. So I would give it a solid 3, a 2.5 to, well, I'm going to give it a 3 for this month. I thought it was overall a great box. My variation is letter C, 2106304-PM. And the total I will put somewhere up here once I add everything up. So yes, my loves, let me know down in the comments what you thought of my box. Let me know if you got your box yet or you're still waiting. And yeah, let me know what y'all think about Boxycharm shipping and customer service as a whole. If you have not done so already, please, please, please subscribe to our channel. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All of those are down below. What else I have? Thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, still do. I mean, yeah, it's free for you to do that, boo. And that's all I have, my loves. I will talk to you guys in the comments and see you on my next video. You guys be blessed. Bye.